welcome back. My name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here at Knightsbridge Estate in Kwabenya, and I'm here to show you this amazing affordable development. Now, I know there's been a bit of a debate kind of going on about, finding houses or places for people to live that are affordable and accessible to a lot of more local Ghanaians, or even those of you from the diaspora that want to come back and don't have a huge budget. So today I'm here to show you these great apartments which are more or less affordable to most people. It's a great entry point. These apartments are actually starting from $30,800 for a one bedroom. So I'm about to show you round one right now. Let's go. Welcome to the Hollands Park Apartments, and this is apartment GE, and we're about to tour inside. Without further ado, let's go. So as soon as you open the apartment door, you can see that you're met by this fairly decent sized space living area. Okay, so you can kind of make it your own and make it nice and comfortable. You can see the way that this place has actually been arranged as well. We actually have a really nice dining table here too, which is great. It kind of makes the place nice and cozy. And right behind me here, if we just continue to walk through, you'll see over here we have a great kitchen space as well. So this is nice and cute. You get to do all your things, you've got enough workspace to kind of move around and do what you need to do in here. It serves the purpose that it has been built for, right? And it's very easy to kind of walk around this apartment. I kind of like the flow of it. So as you come through, you're met by the living space, then you have the kitchen behind you, and then as you kind of head around, you start to meet the bedroom. So this particular apartment that I'm touring right now is actually a 2-bedroom. Okay, so let's just head around this way a bit. So you can see over here, which is really nice. I like this, okay? So we have this wall here, which is great. And this wall serves as a kind of like a barrier to the living room. So anybody that's using the bathroom here doesn't need to be seen or anything like that. So you can kind of have a little bit of privacy. So that's really, really amazing here, okay? And then we continue to walk through this way, and we're met by the first bedroom. Okay, you can see this bedroom is actually a really decent sized space bedroom, okay? I've seen bedrooms a lot smaller than this, so I think this is pretty value for money actually, because the bed that's in here at the moment is absolutely huge. This has got to be a queen size. And we've also have its own ensuite bathroom as well. So, it's a workable space, right? It's great. We have a big window here as well, which gives you a really great view. You've got a nice backdrop there, so you can see all the way up into the mountains if you open this out in the morning, which is lovely. Gives great space, okay? Now I'm gonna take you to the second bedroom, which is just over here to the side. So this room is slightly smaller than the other one, I'd say. Not too much smaller. In this one, it doesn't have an ensuite bathroom, but that's absolutely fine because we have a bathroom which is outside, which is very easy to access. Again, we have the window here as well. So once you open these out in the morning, you get lots of light flooding in, and you get a beautiful view of the mountain area too, which is absolutely lovely. Okay, so this room is definitely fit for purpose, okay? We can head straight back out here as well. I've kind of done a 360 of the whole apartment, okay? I'm just gonna have a little seat here, make myself a little bit comfortable. Now this estate is absolutely huge. It actually consists of 1,700 units. Phase 1 is made up of 400 units, which are 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. Now, Phase 1 is completely sold out, but Phase 2 has started selling, and those are in the process of being sold as we speak. Okay, now one of the things that I love about this place is the fact that it's very community orientated, okay? So if you have children, or if you like to just have a nice time yourself, we have access here to a swimming pool, we have a basketball court, and we also have a tennis court, which is absolutely great. So if you're kind of athletic and you like space to be outside, this is a great development for you. Now, one of the things I absolutely love about this estate is the view. The views here are absolutely beautiful. You get this fantastic panoramic view of the mountains, and it's just you feel kind of like at one with nature. I don't know, it feels really nice. But I do have a surprise for you guys, because there's also something that I'd love you guys to see outside. Let's head out and let's take a look. Now, you might be noticing something behind me here. This behind me is a massive shopping mall, and this is located right next to the development. Inside this shopping mall, there are going to be grocery shops, pharmacies, restaurant, you name it, it's going to be in there, which is a great feature because it adds so much more value to this development. Just imagine you're in your house over there and you can just step next door and get access to all the things that you need. That's really great, right? Great convenience. Now, we spoke a little bit earlier about the price of the apartments, starting from $30,800 for a one-bedroom. And I would say that's pretty decent price considering. Now, if you're looking to purchase one, perhaps for investment purposes, or you want to step foot into Ghana, and this could be like a really great entryway for you to get in. This is a great development for you to start, okay? Prices are only going to go up the more that the development kind of progresses and stuff like that. So this is a great time to buy in. Some of you may or may not have noticed, as you walk down the hill, you can see that some of the estate buildings actually have particular names. So we have like Mayfair, Knightsbridge, that kind of thing. Some of you may be familiar with the names. They're very familiar to me from the UK. So some of the influence of the Western world is there a little bit, but a lot of the street names have been actually called Ghanaian names. So that's quite nice. So we have a little bit of a mixture, a bit of a fusion going on in terms of road names there. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any of the apartments available here, you can absolutely send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I'll put you in touch with the relevant people. Alternatively, if you have a property that you would like showcased, send me an email again, same email address, naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and we can talk from there. I hope you have enjoyed today's tour. It's been a bit of a whirlwind, but it's been a great day. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out. Nuti Fafa.